Myself Raj, welcome to Raj Code Academy. In this video, we will be learning how to download and install Java 23 version on Windows operating system, and even we will be seeing how to develop a Java application at command prompt. In order to download Java on our operating system, open search engine like Google and search here for Java 23 download. The first link what you get from this oracle.com, open this Java downloads. When I am making this video, the latest version of Java is Java 23, and we are going to download Java SC Development Kit, which we call JDK, Java SC Development Kit, and we are going to download this JDK 23 version. Now, in this, you can able to download Java 23 version on Linux operating system. We can even go with Mac, we can even go with Windows. In our case, we'll be downloading Java 23 version on Windows operating system, and for that we need to click on this x64 installer. Now click on this link to download. Click here. It's going to download a exe file. It's going to download a exe file, jdk23_windows x64_bin exe file. And once this file is downloaded, we need to run this application. Once we run this application, it's going to open the installation wizard. Just we have to click on next to close to complete the installation. I'll be showing that steps also in this video, the complete picture how to download Java 23 version on Windows operating system. Now, so it's getting downloaded. And once the download is completed, run this application. Just click on this download file to run this application. Now click on S button. It's going to open the installation wizard. In this wizard, click on next button. By default, Java will get installed in C drive program files, and it's going to create a folder Java under that JDK23. If you want to install in other location, we have to click on this change button to change the location of installation. In our case, we are going to install by default C drive program files, creates a folder Java under that JDK23. Just click on next button. Click on next button here. Then it's going to install the software. And once the installation is completed, we get the message installation successful. So it's successfully installed, and just click on this close button to complete the installation. Click on this close button. Now, once the installation is completed, by default Java will get installed in C drive, program files, creates a folder Java. Under that, it's going to create a folder JDK23. In this JDK23, you can see bin folder. Wherever you may install Java, wherever we may install Java, the parent folder of bin, we call it as Java home. This parent folder of bin, we call it as what? Java home. Now, in this Java home, we can see bin folder. In this bin folder, we can see the commands like Java and JavaC. JavaC command is for compiling our Java program. Java is for running the Java program. Right? Now, let us develop the application. To develop a Java application, let us open command prompt. To open command prompt, in search, type cmd. Open command prompt. Now, let us work in C drive. So I am saying cd /. So now we are working in C drive. If you want to work in D drive, you can say D:. If you want to work in E drive, you can say E:. Now in this C drive, let us create a folder. In order to create a folder, we use the command md make directory Java programs. Press enter key. Now open the folder Java programs. For that, cd Java programs. cd means change directory. Now we are in Java programs folder. Now Here, in order to create a Java source code file, we are going to make use of a text editor, Notepad, and let us go with the name welcome.java. The extension what we give for Java source code file is .java. Press enter key, click on S button. Now start writing the code. A Java program is a collection of classes. So whenever you want to create a class, we use a keyword class and the name of the class, welcome. Open and close curly braces, meaning the class begins at open curly brace, closes at closing curly brace. To run a Java program, we require main method, and the main method looks like this. Public static void, these are all keywords. Main, it's a method name, which takes string array as argument. String is a predefined class, S capital, and say args. In Java, in order to display a message, we use a predefined class system in this S capital with a member out with a method println, and the message should go within double quotes. So here we are displaying the message, welcome to Raj Code Academy. In Java, every statement should end with a semicolon, and Java is case sensitive programming language, means there is a difference between uppercase and lowercase letters. Now, once we type the code, save the file. Ctrl S. You can even say Ctrl S. Now, once we save this file, come back to command prompt. Now we need to compile our Java source code file. In order to compile the Java source code file, we can make use of the command javac, and you can say here welcome.java. If there are no errors in your program, it's going to show the prompt back to us, and if you say dir, it's going to create a file, welcome.class file, and this welcome.class file is called as bytecode. This welcome.class file, we call it as bytecode. Now, once it generates bytecode, now the next step is we need to run the bytecode. Now, in order to run the bytecode, we need to make use of the command java. And you can pass the name of the .class file, that is welcome, which is going to display the message welcome to Raj Code Academy. Right? So in this video, we have learned how to download Java 23 version on Windows operating system, and even we have seen how to develop a Java application at command prompt. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.